Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can plant your very own zucchini squash from seed. So it's real simple. All you need to do is have a few materials, get some dirt, some water, and a little cup here. You can also plant them in egg cartons or milk cartons or whatever works for you. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to only plant one seed, and I'm going to plant it in a little cup here. So the first thing you want to do is check out the back of the seed packet. Here we've got days to germination, 7 to 14. So within 2 weeks you should see a sprout. Depth to sow, so it's an inch, which means you got to do it an inch under the dirt. Seed spacing, 6 every 3 feet. So that's about 6 inches apart. Row spacing, 4 feet, because they bush out pretty far. And days to harvest, 55 to 60. So follow these because it's tried, proven, tested, it works, okay? There's also a little map on the back for when you should be starting planting outdoors depending on where you are. So for the upper Midwest and West, May to June due to frost problems. So if you want to be planting them in May to June, you want to start the seed probably a month or so before you want to be bringing it outdoors. So you want to start it in April, put it outside at the end of May, etc. All right, so to get started, we need to put some soil in a cup here. Now I've got some organic seed starting mix, just because I think that the seed starting mix, we're starting seeds, common sense, it should work pretty well. So there we go, throw some soil in there. Then we need a seed. Now these seeds, they don't have very many in a pack. They're kind of difficult, so what I'm going to do, I've only got one in there, and rather than risk dropping it on the floor, etc., I'm going to just dump it in. Okay, so there it is. It's kind of right in the center. You can see that little white speck, that's the seed. So now we need it an inch deep. That means put some more soil on the top, about an inch of soil, okay? And then I'm going to stamp it down, just like that. Now the final thing we need to do for this seed preparation is put some water on there. Seeds need water. In order to germinate, they need to be warm and cozy in their bed of soil. Then we're going to take some Saran Wrap, place it over the top. This is going to create a little incubator or greenhouse effect for our seed. We can take a rubber band, place it over the top to keep it solid, and there we go. You'll notice I've got a Sharpie here. What you can do is write on the bottom the date that you planted this so you know when that 2 weeks is up. I've also got a toothpick here to pop a couple holes in the top to allow that to breathe. And that is it. That is how you can start your very own zucchini squash from seed in order to put it outside. So again, remember to follow the directions on the back of the packet. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider liking it, sharing it to help others as well. And I hope you'll subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more videos.